never really have too much sunblock.
Mm-hmm.
I was just showing Jackson Pollock to my students the other day.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah. Could have just brought some sunscreen.
I know.
To class.
Well, maybe next time you can. So why were you showing Jackson Pollock to your students, Adam?
To kill time.
It's a good.
Yeah, we had 2.5 hours to fill, so. Oh, that's a lot of sunscreen.
It is a lot of sunscreen. Maybe you can have too much. Let's see.
Hey John, can you lay your back on his back and transfer?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh yeah, we'll do like a print. Right?
Yeah, a mono
Do we
print.
have paper? We could do
Maybe
prints.
people can order some prints.
Let's see.
And I think in order for it to work, we have to push.
There you go. You gotta push. Get a brayer out.
We should get some.
I don't like that.
I think it's.
Okay.
Oh my God, it worked.
Oh, that's bleaching. That's watery. Violet. Yeah, John, you really went for it.
Yeah, I'm all about. Yeah, more is more.
More is more.
More is more.
Oh my gosh. Adam over his back, he looks like a ghost.
No, that's just me.
I think Steven might need to do a print on Adam's back.
This reminds me of like a sex position.
It's almost impossible to beat that though, you know what I mean?
I'll be waiting
Sure somebody.
It's an art position.
Art position.
Somebody can figure it out.
If you tell the world,
I'm half lotions now.
boy,
It's from Adam.
see I'm trusting you.
The ghost lane is in
My soul,
preparation for the
I will shed